Want to know how to turn a simple stick figure into these adorable characters? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to draw them, and then how to bring them to life and animate them just like this.
Huh?
Let's dive in. First, let's draw our basic stick. We'll start with a circle for the head. Now, draw a line for the body. Add a line here and one here for the legs and 2 lines for the arms. Next, we'll draw 2 ovals for the feet and 2 for the hands. Finally, draw 2 little ovals for the eyes, color them in, add a simple mouth. There's our basic character. Now, let's erase the mouth. We'll draw a tiny nose and a little cat mouth instead. Add some point to a cat. Add some pointy, triangle-shaped ears, some whiskers, and a tail. See how easily that turned into a cat? Now let's erase the ears and the tail. We'll add a little front, 2 long bunny ears, and a cute round tail. And just like that, we have a little bunny. Next up, whiskers. Draw a nice big nose, a small mouth, and 2 round ears. Say hello to Mr. Bear. And now for the fox. Erase those bear features and draw 2 pointy ears. Erase the bottom part of the face and draw a fox snout, just like I'm doing, plus a little nose. Add a mouth and a big, fluffy tail. See how simple it is to create all these amazing characters from just one basic drawing? Now for the fun part, animating with AI. Snap a picture of your drawings and upload them into an AI tool. I'm using Flow. Just hit New Project and add all your drawings right here. Pick one of your pictures. Type in whatever action you want it to do. Select the video option and hit this button. Look how cute that turned out.
Huh?
You can even add them all in together to create an awesome group animation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that follow button, because in the next part, I'll be teaching you exactly how to create your own animations totally from scratch. See you then!